In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and modify shapes in Figma. To begin, open your design so you are looking at the canvas where you want to work. This is your main workspace, and everything you draw will appear here. Make sure your file is active, and you can see the bottom toolbar since that's where we'll find the shape tools you need. Look for the shape tool icon in the bottom toolbar. Right next to the frame tool. Click it to choose from rectangles, lines, arrows, ellipses, polygons, or stars. Once you've picked a shape, move your cursor to the canvas, then click and drag to draw it. If you want perfectly proportioned shapes, like a perfect square or a perfect circle, hold the Shift key while you drag. To draw outward from the center instead of a corner, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac while dragging. When you select a shape, a blue bounding box appears with handles around it. Drag these handles to resize the shape. To rotate, hover just outside a corner until you see the rotate cursor. Then click and drag to spin the object to the angle you want. Release when it looks right. You'll see the changes update in real time. For rounded corners, select the shape and look to the design panel on the right. You'll find the corner radius control there. Type in a value or drag the slider to round the edges. You can also drag the small circular handles that appear on the shape's corners directly on the canvas to adjust them visually. To reshape a form more precisely, double-click the shape to enter vector edit mode. You'll see individual vertices or points appear. Click and drag these points to change the outline or adjust the handles to refine curves. You can also add or remove points to get exactly the silhouette you want. While you are in edit mode, use the bend tool to curve straight segments. This is especially helpful for turning sharp angles into smooth arcs. Creating more organic shapes without redrawing from scratch. To build complex, custom graphics, combine multiple shapes with Boolean operations in the top toolbar. Use union to merge, subtract to cut one shape out of another. Intersect to keep only the overlapping area or exclude to remove the overlap. Arrange your shapes first, then apply the operation to get a clean result. For polygons and stars, select the shape and adjust settings, like the number of corners and the ratio in the right panel. Changes update instantly so you can fine-tune until it looks perfect. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.